Everybody, welcome back to Eve Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So this is how the outside of the apartment we'll be looking at today looks like.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one
So today we are at Kamakis for the first time.
you run to when the moon hits the ground.
So since I started showcasing houses, this is the first house in Kamakis we've showcased.
Hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but
It's a 2-bedroom apartment going for 28,000 Kenyan shillings.
hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled.
So you have parking space, you have CCTV cameras for your security.
I know what you're feeling, I see that.
If you're just joining us today, remember to hit the subscription button as we hit 2,000 subscribers.
Look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight.
So we are going to start with the kitchen space.
Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall.
You have a balcony here. The building is located at specifically Kamakis. I'll write it in the description box.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me
So you can see your kitchen, then the balcony just next to your kitchen.
together.
I guess 90% of the balconies are always on the kitchen area.
When everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever, so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand. I try so much to get back.
So as I've said, the building is going for the 2-bedroom apartment is going for 28,000 Kenyan shillings.
That's something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still.
This is your living room.
You thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the gun, I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever, so you can come and get it.
So the 2-bedroom has separate washroom. That is the bathroom and the toilet are not on the same space.
Understand it. I don't understand.
And you have a mirror here. So your kitchen on that side. Then your living room on this side. So just be patient. I'm going to the washroom. So we start with your toilet space. Not very spacious, but enough for you to use. And after the toilet, we go to the bathroom. So it's the same size as your toilet. So what we haven't showcased yet is the 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. You can say it's the master bedroom because of the space. It's not en suite. So next we are going to go to the second bedroom. So the first bedroom.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own.
Your living room area.
See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time let's be real, be real.
Your second bedroom.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
And then finally your kitchen.
I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me,
So that is how your staircase looks like.
hear me now. I do what I want.
Now, this is how your staircase looks like. So this is the side view of the building. And this is how the front of the building looks like. So the price of this 2-bedroom apartment is 28,000. Location is at Kamakis.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon.
And that is it for today's video.
I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground.
Bye bye and see you on my next video.
Down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feeling lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are, and I know